Okay, the bird is a big problem at LAX. It came in on the scanner as an unattended item. The K9 was called, and cops are here with security. It's called in by security, and the K9 is here. We call in for a supervisor. They called it in. Unattended electric scooter. This seems to be giving the LAX a security risk. It's got the red light on. Okay, so the supervisor's on the way. They're going to figure out what they're going to do. This has been an ongoing problem at LAX. The unattended bird. LAX doesn't know how to deal with it. And you got the light going on there. Supervisor's on the way. This is an ongoing problem. The LAX security is on the job. All right, here we go. More cops showing up. Let's see. For the unattended bird. Ongoing problem here. Let's see how they handle it. Okay. The one in the green called in the cops for this unattended bird, and the K9 is here with them. And they called in a supervisor. Let's see how they handle it. K9 is here. Let's see how they handle it. There it is, unattended bird. It's got the light on too, so they don't know what it is actually. Let's see what they do. LAX Airport Police are here along with LAX security at Tom Bradley over the unattended bird. K9 is here. Supervisor showing up right now. Let's see what they do. Along with K9. Big problem so far at LAX. Okay, let's see what they do. More cops showing up. Okay, let's see what he says over the radio. Got 4 cops on this unattended bird here at Tom Bradley National. Okay. See what they do. There was an unattended bird about a month ago at Terminal 2, and they took it away. I think at the airport they treat the birds a little different because it could be if the lights on. They call in the sergeant, supervisor, to see what they're going to do with it. All right, K9, I think he's going to get the dog. K9, oh, there he goes. K9 showing up. Let's take it out. Okay, let's see. Check it out. All right, I guess they cleared it. The dog did not sit down. This is a new ongoing problem, the bird at LAX. Alright, so they're going to take it away. And the dog does sit down. Alright. Alright. Alright, so that's that. And they're going to take it away. Ongoing problem, the unattended bird at LAX. I guess a lot of employees use these to get to work, but it is a security risk at LAX. All right, so the cops are going to take it away. And that's a wrap. So that's what's going on at LAX today, the unattended bird. And there's a supervisor on the phone. They're not used to this. There was an incident a month ago, as I can remember it. Alright folks, that's about it. I haven't been streaming in a while. I'm in the midst of moving right now. Got a lot on my mind, but I will be streaming more often soon. So he's calling up to see what to do with this unattended bird. They're going to probably take it to lost and found or call the phone call a bird. Okay folks, Tony Bear LAX. I will see you guys on the next live stream.